Imagine waking up one day, surrounded by piles of old clothes, stacks of papers, and miscellaneous items scattered everywhere. That was the world of our friend Alex. A world that was messy, cluttered, and chaotic. Much like his living space, Alex's life was in disarray. His thoughts were scattered, his focus was fragmented, and his dreams, well, they were buried under the clutter, both physical and mental. Alex was trapped in a cycle of disorganization, procrastination, and frustration. His home, instead of being a sanctuary, was a source of stress. The clutter was not just in his space, it was in his mind, in his life. But then, one day, something changed. Alex decided he'd had enough. He was tired of the chaos, tired of the mess. He decided to take control, to reclaim his space and his life. And so he began the process of decluttering. He started with the physical clutter, the clothes he no longer wore, the papers he no longer needed, the items that were taking up space but adding no value to his life. Bit by bit, he cleared away the mess. And as he did, he noticed something remarkable. His mind started to feel clearer, his thoughts more focused. The act of decluttering his physical space seemed to be decluttering his mental space as well. He found he could concentrate better, work more efficiently, and he even started to dream again. The dreams that had been buried under the clutter started to resurface, and this time, Alex was ready to chase them. His transformation was incredible. From a life of chaos, Alex moved to a life of order, focus, and success. His productivity increased, his relationships improved, and his dreams, once forgotten, were now within his grasp. All of this, all these changes, started with one decision. The decision to declutter. The decision to clear away the mess, to make space for what truly mattered. Alex's life changed dramatically, all because he decided to declutter. And the same can happen with you. You might be wondering, what exactly is decluttering? Well, let's dive right into it. Decluttering is more than just tidying up or organizing. It's about intentionally removing what isn't necessary or beneficial from your space. It's about curating your surroundings with care and thoughtfulness. Imagine you're an artist, and your home is your canvas. Decluttering is like removing the extra paint strokes that distract from your masterpiece. It's about stripping back the layers, discarding the excess, and revealing the essential. You see, decluttering isn't just about creating a clean environment, though that's a fantastic side effect. It's about creating a space that reflects your goals, your values, your aspirations. It's about letting go of the physical items that hold you back, that clutter your mind as much as they clutter your home. And so, decluttering is about making space for the things that truly matter. It's about making room for success, for growth, and for peace. So, how do you start decluttering? It's not as daunting as it sounds. To begin the decluttering process, we don't immediately tackle the entire house. Instead, we start small. We choose a single area, perhaps a desk, a drawer, or a single closet. This approach allows us to see immediate progress and feel a sense of accomplishment, fueling our motivation to continue. Now, imagine you've chosen a cluttered desk. The first step is to remove everything from the desk, giving you a blank canvas. This also allows you to clean the space, creating a fresh start. Once you've cleared the area, the next step is to sort. We categorize the items into groups. These categories could be as simple as keep, discard, and donate. Or they could be more specific, like office supplies, personal items, papers, and miscellaneous. The key here is to be honest with yourself. If an item hasn't been used in the last year, it's a strong candidate for the discard or donate pile. As you sort, you might be tempted to reminisce about each item's history, but remember, we're on a mission, so try to keep the sentimentality to a minimum. You're creating a space for new opportunities, not a museum of the past. Now you've sorted everything and you're left with 3 piles. The discard and donate piles are straightforward. Bag them up right away so there's no second guessing. The items for donation can bring joy to someone else, and the items for discarding will free up your space. Let's turn to the keep pile. This is where the fun begins. It's time to organize. Consider your space and how you use it. The items you use most often should be easily accessible. Less frequently used items can be stored away. Use organizers, containers, or whatever tools you have to keep things tidy. With everything neatly arranged, you'll find it's easier to focus and be productive. Here's a pro tip. Labeling can be a game changer. It helps you remember where things go and makes it easier for others to respect your system. And that's it. You've decluttered your first space. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your clutter-free home won't be either. It's important to maintain consistency. Make decluttering a part of your routine. Spend 15 minutes a day tidying up. It doesn't sound like much, but those minutes add up. and soon you'll see a significant difference. One more thing, don't try to do everything at once. It's easy to get overwhelmed. Instead, tackle one area at a time. When you've completed one area, move on to the next. This method keeps the process manageable and keeps you from burning out. As you progress, you might find that decluttering becomes almost therapeutic. Each item you discard or donate is like letting go of a little piece of the past that's been holding you back. Every organized space is a step towards a more focused and productive you. And let's not forget, decluttering is not just about creating physical space, it's about creating mental space too. With less clutter competing for your attention, you'll find it's easier to focus on what really matters. You'll feel less stressed, more in control, and ready to take on anything. Remember, decluttering is a journey, not a one-time event. And like any journey, it's not always easy, but the rewards are well worth the effort. So, take that first step. Choose a space, start sorting, and let the transformation begin. You may ask, why should I declutter? What's in it for me? Well, let's dive into the benefits of decluttering. To start with, decluttering can significantly increase your focus. Imagine trying to complete a task in a room filled with piles of paper, heaps of clothes, and countless knickknacks. The mess is a constant distraction, pulling your attention away from the task at hand. On the contrary, a clean, organized space allows you to direct your attention where it's needed, enhancing your focus and efficiency. Moreover, decluttering can drastically reduce stress. Clutter can be a powerful visual reminder of tasks left undone, goals not achieved, essentially a physical manifestation of mental clutter. By decluttering your environment, you're also decluttering your mind, reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of calm. Next, decluttering can significantly improve your mood. A clutter-free environment is pleasing to the senses. It creates a sense of harmony and peace, making you feel more relaxed and happier. Another advantage of decluttering is the increase in productivity. With everything in its place, you spend less time searching for items and more time on productive tasks. This in turn can lead to higher efficiency and effectiveness in both personal and professional life. But the benefits of decluttering go beyond the physical and mental realms. A clutter-free environment can also become a magnet for success and prosperity. According to the principles of feng shui, a clutter-free home allows the free flow of positive energy, attracting good luck and prosperity. And even if you're not a believer in feng shui, a clean, organized environment is certainly conducive to success. It reflects discipline, order, and a proactive approach, qualities that are highly valued in every sphere of life. So, whether you're a student trying to focus on your studies, an entrepreneur striving for success, or simply someone looking for peace and tranquility, decluttering can be a game changer. It's more than just a cleaning exercise. It's a transformative process that can drastically improve your life. Decluttering is like pressing the reset button on your life, creating a fresh start. So, are you ready to press that button? So, to recap, decluttering is more than just cleaning. It's a transformative process, a journey towards clarity and focus. We've learned that decluttering isn't just about tidying up your physical space. It's about releasing what no longer serves you, making room for what matters most. We've discussed the step-by-step process, from sorting out your belongings to organizing them in a way that promotes efficiency and peace. We've seen how this process can lead to personal transformation, as it did for our friend Alex. We've also delved into the benefits of decluttering, the sense of control, the reduction of stress, the boost in productivity. It's a simple yet powerful tool to create an environment conducive to success. So let's take a leaf out of Alex's book. Let's start decluttering our spaces, our minds, and our lives. Remember, your environment reflects your mind. So, declutter your space, declutter your mind, and watch as success follows.